we'll guide you through how to trim, split, cut, merge, and edit videos on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can do this with just one video or multiple, it doesn't matter. So what we need to do is go and open up the App Store like so, as we need to get an app to do this. Press search in the bottom right, and at the top, you can then go and type in CapCut like so. You want to go and download it and open it up. Now you want to go and press New Project. You want to go and select the videos or video you want to do this with. Then we can go and press Add like so. So here it is. So if you want to go and trim the start and end point, tap it, and you can go and select that bar at the start, and you can also go and do it at the end as well to go and shorten that. If you want to go and remove a part in the middle of it, you want to keep it selected, press split in the bottom left, choose when you want to go and stop removing it, we'll make another split, select the section here we don't want, and then at the bottom you can select delete. So that's it, it's then gone and deleted there as you can see. Now let's say you wanted to go and put a clip in the middle there, what you could do is go and press the plus to the right, you can then go and select the video, I'll just add this one again and press add, and it's then added it in there. You can also go and change the order of these by tapping and holding on a clip, then you can tap and hold on it and you can go and adjust the order, as you can see. And when you're finished, you can press export in the top right. That's it, you've now finished with it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.